to be showing you how you can steam and deep condition your hair using only ingredients from your kitchen. So first, we're going to start with milk. Milk contains protein, as I'm sure you very well know. It contains proteins and lipids and helps to strengthen the hair. Milk also contains calcium that promotes hair growth and aids in preventing hair loss. Milk also contains other hair-friendly nutrients like vitamins A, vitamins B6, biotin, and potassium, all of which work to keep the hair shiny and soft. Mayonnaise. Yes, I know this is the mayonnaise you use for your bread, but yes, it is very, very healthy for the hair because it contains amino acids, which helps to nourish the scalp. It stimulates your hair follicles and also encourages hair growth. Hair mayonnaise also has protein, which strengthens the shaft, prevents breakage, and controls split ends. Let's move to honey. Honey helps to strengthen and thicken your hair strands. It wakes up and strengthens hair follicles that have become dormant, thereby promoting new hair growth. Honey also contains nutrients that boost your hair strength and structure, which can reduce breakage to help your hair grow longer and thicker over time. Best believe that honey is very, very good for the hair. And next, I'll be adding my DIY hair growth oil. If you do not know how to make this oil, I'm going to put the link below so you can check out how we made our DIY extra boosting, oil. So yes, this is just me mixing my hair steam or deep conditioner, whichever it is you want to call it. I'm a salonist, so we'll call it steaming of hair. So yes, this is me mixing it. And if you discover that this is too thick, you can use your rice water to make it runny or give it the consistency you need. But I will be using Dallas leave-in conditioner. We call it 911 in the salon. It promotes healthy hair growth. It helps in the treatment of hair and scalp problems. It moisturizes, imparts luster and shine to the hair. And it also promotes hair growth. And this product is good for natural and relaxed hair. In my salon, I use it for my clients when they just, relax their hair, and also for naturalistas. So this is me just making sure that my mixture is well mixed up to the consistency that I want. So basically, this is how you can make your deep conditioner for your hair in the house. And next, I'll be showing you my application process. So basically, I'm using this for my mom's hair. I really got so busy with work and every other that I abandoned my mom's hair. But my daughter's hair is still healthy. I take care of her hair because of school. But my hair and my mom's hair were so abandoned, damaged, and matty. Seriously. So I just had to make sure I did this to her hair. This is me just applying it. It's just like applying relaxer to the hair. So that's basically what I was doing. I will make sure she carried it for hours. She's supposed to carry for 1 hour, but she carried it till she was done with what she was doing. And yeah, we covered it with a plastic nylon because, of course, my shower cap story. And yes, this is basically it. So please enjoy the music. And you see this bald spot on her hair. That spot is so smooth, like the cells are totally damaged, but I'm going to try my best to make sure it grows again with derma roller and hair growth mixtures. So please watch out for that, because I am going to be recording every process in restoring the hair in those bald spots. Everything will be recorded. So please let me know. I'm going to say this: if you're on natural hair and you're on mini twist, mini braid or weaving, please ensure to always hydrate and moisturize your hair. Do not get so busy to the point where you have to abandon your hair. It will get all matted and your hair will break terribly. I'm saying this because this is what I experienced. Leaving my hair for 3 months, I gained length but lost it in the process because my hair broke terribly. So please ensure that moisture is your friend, water is your friend, hydrator is your friend. Make sure to keep your hair healthy. Always have, even if it's just a minute, make sure to spray water on your hair. Moisturize and hydrate your hair. It is very, very necessary because we're all looking for hair length, forgetting that 100% hair health equal to hair length. So yes, let me not, bore you. Enjoy the music. Story. Yes, so that's basically that. She carried this for over an hour. She was supposed to carry it for an hour, but she did carry it for over an hour, well over an hour, before washing off, hydrating and moisturizing her hair. So that's all I have for you today, just to show you that you can deep condition and steam your hair from the ingredients you have in your kitchen. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.